Hey guys, today we are at the Little Bradley Falls Trail. This is a fun, short hike to a beautiful waterfall. The only thing is, don't get lost. It's really easy to get off trail here. I'm gonna show you guys where I went wrong so you don't make the same mistake. So here we go, let's check it out. This was the last red blaze I saw for a while. I was just under the impression that the trail was not marked very clearly, so I kept going because it was such a beautiful hike along the water. There were a lot of downed trees. My gut started telling me I was not on the right trail, but I kept going a little bit longer, and luckily I received a sign, and it was literally a sign that I was on the wrong trail. So luckily I was able to just turn around and go back the way I came. It was super simple. I did eventually have cell service, so I pulled up Google Maps and you can see how far off the trail I went, and I just headed back to the Little Bradley Falls Trail. This is where I went wrong. At this point, this is the first stream crossing, but I continued on the trail to the left, and it was a beautiful trail. I enjoyed it, but it was not the right way to get to the waterfall. Here is the red blaze, so when you see that, you continue down, and there's another red blaze guiding you on your way. This trail is actually well marked all the way to the waterfall, so if you are not seeing red blazes, you are not on the right trail. And now we are heading down to the first of two stream crossings.